How about that? Mastering the art of making offers in English. Hello learners. Welcome to our new lesson in conversational English. Today, we'll be focusing on how to make offers using the phrase, how about? We know that English offers many ways to propose suggestions or offers, but have you ever wondered how about is different from the rest? Let's get into it. How about is a casual and friendly way to make an offer, suggest an idea, or ask for someone's opinion. We often use it in spoken English. For example, you can use it to offer someone a drink like, how about a cup of coffee? Or to suggest an activity, like, how about we go to the park this weekend? Now, let's compare how about to other offer-making phrases to better understand the nuances. 1. How about versus would you like is more of a direct offer or invitation, and it's often considered more polite. For instance, would you like to join me for dinner? 2. How about versus do you want is also a direct offer, but it's more informal. It's similar to would you like, but used in more casual situations. For example, do you want to go to the movies? 3. How about versus shall we is used to make a suggestion that includes yourself and the person you're speaking to. It's more of a proposal than an offer. For instance, shall we start the meeting? In comparison, how about is less direct and can be seen as more suggestive, making it a less imposing way to make an offer or proposal. It can be seen as more casual and flexible. Let's put how about into action with some practical examples. 1. How about going for a run in the morning? Suggesting an activity. 2. It's hot outside. How about we get some ice cream? Proposing a solution. 3. How about a game of chess? Making an offer. That's it for today's lesson on how about. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that you can use in a variety of conversational contexts. It's casual, friendly, and perfect for making non-imposing offers or suggestions. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing and make how about a part of your everyday English conversation. See you in our next lesson.